You are now discontinued. And you, and you, and you. You can stay. Oh yeah, you're gone too. What is up, my friends? It's Edward Tomaloso, your Honda man, internet sales manager here at Honda of Santa Maria. And today, I wanted to give you a quick update on the 2019 Honda Civics. What's gonna stay, what's gonna go, what refreshes are gonna be made. So this is going to be a video on what I know so far of the upcoming model refresh. So stay tuned. Here's what I want to get to. Honda is now subtracting two trims. So they will be subtracting the 2-liter EX on the sedan, and they will be subtracting the LXP coupe. So no more coupes that are LXP and EXs on the sedans. And then now, so the sedan EX will now all have the turbos. So now they're going to get rid of the nomenclature EX 2.0. So it'll only be the EXT, but it's going to be just called the EX. So all EX Civics now are going to have a turbo. And then the LXP, they're going to do away with that, and again, they're going to keep it with the EXT or just the EX. Okay, enough about the subtractions. What about the additions? There will now be a sport trim level. And talking about the sport trim level, it's going to be very similar to the Accord Sport 2018. So if you're familiar with that, it does give you nicer wheels. So this one's going to give you 18-inch alloy wheels, and the Touring is also going to get them. So just like the Accord has 19-inch wheels on the Touring and the Sport, and they're the same style, the Civic will go ahead and mirror that with these 18-inch alloy wheels. So this is the best picture I can find online. That's officially Honda in terms of what this car is going to look like. So that's really exciting. And what they say the Sport's going to come with, just like the Accord, it's going to come with the touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's going to give you those 18-inch alloy wheels, and it's going to give you the piano black finish on the accents on the exterior of the car and the interior of the car. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to see one in person. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below on what you think of this new car is going to be like, and if you would get one, and if you think that Honda did a good job by getting rid of the 2.0 EX and LXP. Oh, actually, they got rid of another car. They got rid of the EXL with the navigation. So no more EXL with the navigation. You actually now have to opt for the Touring model to get navigation, which to me makes a lot of sense, because why get an EXL Navi when you have Apple CarPlay and you can just use your phone? There's not a lot of people who get a car and have to have navigation. That's very few and far between. People who get a car with navigation usually have those unlimited plans. When they need the navigation, they can just use it right off of their phone with Apple CarPlay. And if you say something about it, you're probably in the minority. But so no more EXL with the navigations. And what else? Oh, one last thing. I think it's a game changer. Every single Civic, from the LX to the Touring, will now give you Honda sensing. So you'll have adaptive cruise control, low speed follow. You'll also have lane keep assist, collision mitigation. So a lot of cool stuff on the Civic. Once again, let me know what you guys think. But again, just to summarize, no more EX 2-liter on the sedan. Also, no more EXL with navigation. No more LXP on the coupe. No more EXL navigation on the coupe. And one new trim for the coupe and the sedan. You get a sport trim, 18-inch alloy wheels, and those same alloy wheels will go on the Touring. So let me know again what you guys think in the comments below. I'm excited to see these. If you haven't yet, subscribe. As soon as these come from the factory, I'll be one of the first to take a look at it and show you guys. Thanks again. Like it up if you found this valuable. Bye for now.